gases like hydrogen, helium differ. So I just take the candle and I stick it on the balloon. So this is the point where there may be a little pop. You ready? Sure? Okay. 1, 2, sure you ready. And I'll see. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2. Nice. I think you'll agree most kids find that pretty impressive. In fact, our students do, adults do as well. So, nice illustration of physical properties. Now, your lab, not quite as exciting as that, I'm afraid, but all the solids that you can test are in this little area here. So just take a handful, you'll recognize some of them. The magnets are over here. There's rulers, marking pens, graph paper. Here are the little conductivity meters, so just borrow one of those. There's some paper clips here for scratching the surface to test whether it's soft or hard. And then there's some vinegar here as well. Really, the only one that's going to react with the vinegar immediately is some pieces of chalk that I found. So that's the others. The metal will, like the metal key will, but it'll take a while to do that, so don't expect a immediate reaction. Here's one that's interesting though. These are two little metal clips that I found. One's kind of fairly new and one's completely rusted. We were just talking about this a few moments ago. The metal clip you'd expect to conduct electricity, wouldn't you? So the little beaker should go here. But when it's covered in rust, will that still conduct electricity, you think? I don't know. We have to find out. The other thing is paper clips. Paper clips, of course, are metal. They should conduct electricity. When one's covered in plastic, though, will that conduct electricity? Well, you know the answer to that. But the little kids, this is, remember K through 2, the little kids may not initially appreciate that until they test it, and this one doesn't beat and this one does beat. But they've got paper clips. All right, so that's the first one. And you've got your rocks. Measuring cylinders are in the drawer. I've got to get some food colouring. I'll put it out here as well. The food colouring is just so you can see the level of water in the measuring cylinder a little more clearly. You don't really need it, but it's a lot easier to see the water with some food colouring. So you can do either one first, it doesn't matter. Just make sure you get them both done before we
Magnetic, okay.
That big?
So, if just peep on that, what does that
It
mean?
says for us to write down each of
It just
these,
beeped on that.
and
What does
then
that
say,
mean?
do we think this is magnetic?
Conducting.
Okay.
Conducts electricity, will float or sink, react with vinegar, can be scratched or can be easily bent.
They're good.
It's a describe your collection data sheet, but I don't see that.
I ain't got no tweet.
Okay, did
Did
that
on
one.
that one, yeah.
Did that one.
Copper.
Did that one. Everything up is a gold. But it won't do this one. It did that. Okay, it depends. Okay, here it won't. Okay, right on here. Here it did. Okay, here it did.
Is this it right here?
Yeah,
It's
it needs to charge.
It could be that your battery might not
It just needs to charge.
be connected as it needs to. It might have a loose connection.
Because everything right there's supposed to be conducted.
Just looking at your
Can't forget anything.
get to the shape of the color.
Do this or not
and that's
forget
when you test for the other
Let me
properties.
check graphite.
First, you just want to get
Won't get anything. Okay, she'll get something here.
a rock,
Okay, she'll get something here. She'll get something here.
tan,
She'll get something here.
beige, let's say tan, beige,
And they're not doing it for some reason.
and gray.
But that's supposed to,
Okay, shape,
and depending on where you put it on here.
circle, oval.
All right, go ahead. So, what's happening here?
Metals will tend to oxidize. That means it provides a coating on them. Once the coating is exposed to the environment, is not magnetized. It will not conduct electric current. Here you can see there's less oxidation, so it does.
Okay.
If you touch the same magnet down here and you do not go in those grooves, then it does not
Will it react to
respond.
vinegar?
Okay. So, how about with the nail?
Same thing with the nail.
put
This
some in that
part
one already.
is corroded because it rusts. So this is iron oxide, so you're not getting that exposure. But up here, you don't have the corrosion, so therefore it's supposed to beep.
What it's supposed to do?
Okay.
Ah, there we go. Yeah.
Here.
You know, like.
So it's
if you put
basically
on
cleaner
the
up
side,
there,
yeah.
but here there's all rusted out. So rusted things don't.
They do
Conduct
not
really well,
conduct
yeah.
electricity.
Okay, thank you.
That's the best I can do.
South end.
So is the rusted nail magnetic on like the rusted end?
No,
It was,
it's very,
Can't get even
it
get it
struggles
to
on the
pick,
rusty side, basically.
but I can't even pick it up on the north end of the magnet.
But look how the magnetism transfers.
But I can do it on the south. On the south.
Oh, you trying to stretch the nail?